I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you test questions on polynomial inequalities. The question here is, profit for business A and B can be represented by the functions ax equals to minus 4x squared plus 17x minus 5 and b of x equals to 3x plus 1, where x represents the amount of sales in hundreds and profit amount in dollars. Solve for the amount of sales that has profit of business A greater than B. So we want to find for what value of x is profit of A greater than that of B. That's what we need to find, right? You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Let's substitute the profit functions. For A it is minus 4x squared plus 17x minus 5. That should be greater than the linear function 3x plus 1. Bring all the terms to one side. We will prefer to keep it positive, so I'm taking them to the right side. So we have 0 greater than 4x squared minus 17x. We have 3x here, so let me write down plus 3x. And then we will write plus 5 plus 1. So that gives us 4x squared minus 14x, and that is 6, right? You could factor 2, then you get 0, 2, x squared minus 7x plus 3. So that is what you get. And now you are looking for product of 3 and sum of 7. Sorry, I missed 2 here. Yeah. So product of 6 and sum of 7, correct? So we'll now factor this. We'll now factor this and find the answer. So we have 0, which is greater than 2 times 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. We are looking for product of 6 and sum of minus 7. So minus 7 could be split and written as 2x squared minus 6x minus x plus 3. That is 2. So we could take 2 common along with x, so we get 2x, and within brackets what we get is x minus 3. We can take minus common and we get x minus 3 here also, correct? Bracket closed. So 2 brackets closed. So 0 is greater than 2 times x minus 3 is common, okay, and you get 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. Now we want that to be this function to be 0 to be greater than this, or you can say that function to be negative, right? So this is less than 0. So one way to do is sketch. I think that's faster. So we'll just go for a sketch here and then solve this inequality. We have 2 zeros. One 0 is at 3. The other one is at half, right? So let's write this as half, and the other one is at 3. Parabola opens up in this case. So let's sketch a parabola which opens upwards. Okay. Now we are looking for values where 0 is greater than the function. So we are looking for this portion. Correct? So that is the portion we are looking at. So the solution is around this place. So when it says solve for the amount of sales that has profit of A greater than this. So if x is more than half here, x value is in hundreds, right? So it is half 100, that means more than 50, right? So we get our answer as for x greater than 50. For x greater than 50, a of x will be greater than b of x, right? So we converted that to the numbers because x is in sales in hundreds, right? Sales are in hundreds. So that is the way you could do it. I hope that really helps. Thanks for watching and all the best.